Hi there. Welcome to That Great Show.
What do I do?
My name is.
What do I do?
My name is. Just stay calm. You can't see you if you don't know. My name is Elliot Morgan, and welcome to That Great Show. Also here is my sidekick host, who is named Delman. Yeah. Stop. 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 I can't handle it. Stop it. Stop. Stop. Come here. Today on the show, we have dogs.
I don't know if I like these dogs.
So, Carlton, I hear you were named after a Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, and he's gone. No. I asked the question. Gilligan. Yes, hold him. There we go. Gilligan. What's your relationship like with your parents? What's your favorite YouTube video? I hear you have an Instagram account. How many followers do you have? We'll just take it again. We'll take it again. We'll take it again. Who do you follow on Instagram? Any hot bitches? Stop. Everything you do.
Gilligan, were you named after the island or the show? Or Vince Gilligan from Breaking Bad?
He was named after Gilligan's Island. I'm not gonna speak for him though. That is a poor host move. We will cut that out.
You have blue hair. Does your hair blow?
I feel like this was like a good idea every time,
Yeah.
but it didn't work. Toby Turner canceled on us.
I know, my face is covered in dog saliva.
Yeah, and he was licking his ankles. Ugh, God, you're both of them. Are you a dog person or a cat person?
I'm just a person. A people person, maybe. But I don't like people either that much.
Carlton, come, welcome to the show. Come here, welcome to the show. All right, let's face the camera, okay? All right, Carl, if you could collab with any YouTuber, who would it be? Do you have any opinions? Oh.
I agree.
Yes.
I agree. Who did he say? Who did he say?
Glozell.
Glozell. Oh, I get it. I like your underbite.
Is that how you compliment people? You get right in their faces and yell at them?
I don't know how to talk to dogs. There's a lot of cameras around. I don't know
In an effort to raise money, we have accepted a sponsorship here on That Great Show. This is our first ever sponsorship, and it comes to us from Source Got to Be Glued, which is an invincible styling gel. And we are going to demonstrate how invincible it is right now on an animal. We're going to do some fun, lighthearted animal testing.
Does this count as animal cruelty or animal? Hello, my name is Gilligan.
That's on its voice.
I thought it would be like because he's a rock star. That stuff smells pretty good. My name is Gilligan. What's his voice then?
This is his voice, and he likes it when you spike his little mohawk.
Are you sure that's his voice, or is it more like?
My name's Gilligan. Hello.
Okay, now that we got him together,
What are we doing now?
I'm just gonna get a picture. Okay, now that they're together, maybe we can get a few questions in.
What are your guys' opinions on each other? Do you work together all the time, or do you have your own solo channels?
Is your guys' favorite song Doesn't Matter If It's Black or White?
Do you guys like the song Who Let the Dogs Out?
Lick.
Have you ever seen the movie All Dogs Go to Heaven?
I just want you to love me.
Okay. Check us out.
Thank you everyone for watching That Great Show. Please share it. That's it.
I think I have some really bad scratches on my stomach.
Don't do it. Don't. I don't want to.
On these nails.